Hey everyone, how are you? This is Lakshmikant from the KGP Talkie. Recently, Nvidia has released its Nemotron 3.5 Lightning model, and the token speed which we get from this model is superb. I tested this model locally on my RTX 5090 GPU, and the token speed was more than 100 token per second. If you are getting 100 token per second speed, then that is more than sufficient to get started with your work. Let's go ahead and get started with the Cloud Code setup with the Nemotron 3.5 Lightning model. First of all, you need to make sure you have Ollama installed, and then you need to make sure you pull this Nemotron 3.5 Lightning model locally. So I'm just going to show you here quickly how we can do this. So it is very simple process. You just need to write here Ollama pull Nemotron 3.5 Lightning latest. All right, so it is already available here on my local computer. Thereafter, we come back here and then we need to make sure we have Cloud Code installed on our local computer. So I hope you have installed this Cloud Code. What you can do, you can just simply download it from here. So it is going to download for your Windows and then it is going to load here. After you download and install the Cloud Code locally, then what you have to do here, you need to just simply come here and you need to make sure you have your Cloud Code installed here in VS Code as well. So you just need to search here Cloud Code. All right, once you search the Cloud Code, install Cloud Code for VS Code. Once you have done all these, thereafter you are ready for your local Cloud Code setup with the Ollama. Now let's go ahead and quickly verify if our Nemotron model is available with the Ollama. So you can just simply open your Ollama and then you can test it here. So here is the Ollama, and then I can just simply search here Nemotron 3.5 Lightning, and then I can just ask here some question. Maybe hi is more than enough. And in meantime, you can now see here your Ollama has started loading. All right, so it has started loading, and you will notice here I'm using the RTX 5090 GPU, and it has loaded almost 32 GB available with my RTX 5090. And here some consumptions are also going on. All right, as it is loading, so it take a little bit time. First time it is only. Thereafter, it will not take this much of the time. In meantime, while it is loading, let's go ahead and complete the rest of the setup. So there are multiple ways to set the Cloud Code with the local available models or with the external APIs. Either you can set it locally in the directory where you are currently working. Otherwise, you can do its setup globally. So I'm going to show you here the local setup first. If you want to see the global setup, then you can also comment in the video. I'll show you how you can do the global setup as well. So I read each and every comment. I'll reply there and I might make a new video for a global setup. Let's go ahead and do the local setup first of all. So I need to create here a folder, and folder name need to be here .cloud. Remember this exact folder name you need to have here. And then the file name I'm going to have here, that is going to be the settings. And then I need to have here local.json. All right. So I have got here my setting, which is going to be applied on this particular repository only. I just need to make sure I paste my environment variable setup for the Anthropic. So I have Anthropic base URL. This is where our Ollama is currently running. And all these, you can just give here some random values. Here I give just Ollama. It is just random value. Thereafter, I'm going to give here the model name, which I'm going to use as my default model with the Cloud Code. That's all you have to do. Now everything is here done. Once it is done, thereafter you just need to simply close this, and then you can just simply open your Cloud Code here so that the Cloud Code can start the coding for you. So what you can do, you can just simply come back here and check this Cloud Code for you, and it is installed. All right. So to get this option, you need to make sure you have opened some file here. All right. If you don't open any file here, you might not see this particular option. So you need to make sure you have opened here a particular file. All right. So I have got here Cloud Code. Once you have got the Cloud Code, thereafter you can verify here your Cloud Code. Let me just show you here which particular model it is using. So if you just come here and check here model name, the model name is going to be the Nemotron 3.5 Lightning model. So at the place of the Opus, it is giving us 3.5 lightning model, and then again it is going to give us the Sonnet Nemotron lightning model at the place of the Sonnet, and it is also giving this Nemotron at the place of the Haiku model as well. You see how simple. This is really awesome. All right, let's go ahead and check if it is really working. So I'm just going to say hi, and thereafter I'm going to show you my GPU usage. So here is the GPU usage. It has started working on this particular part, and now you can check here. In some time it is going to give us the response. Thereafter we are going to test this particular model locally with the Claude Code. All right, now let's go ahead and check our Claude Code with the Nemotron. So I'm going to ask here a simple question. Write a Python function that checks whether a given string is a palindrome or not. Let's go ahead and run it. Now you will notice your Nemotron has started working and GPU consumption is almost 80-90%. And here it has started working. That is why I was telling you earlier that it is so fast. It is so fast. And here the code is already written, but seems like it did not create the Python file. So I'm just gonna tell here that store it in .py file. All right, now it is gonna store this particular code in .py file so that we should be able to check our Python code. So here it is. It has started working and it has created is palindrome here. All right, excellent. We have got it. Let's go ahead and run it. We can just simply run it here and let's go ahead and check if it is working. So here it says, all right, this one is palindrome. This one is palindrome. And then a plane, canal, no, Panama. All right, this is also true. Hello is not palindrome. This one is the palindrome. And obviously this one is also considered as palindrome. You might be wondering that how this one is the palindrome. If you read it from the behind, then you are going to see here a man, all right, and then a plane, a canal. Basically whatever you are reading from this side, in the same way you can read it from this particular side as well. If you want to introduce here any special case, you can put that case as well. Otherwise you see how good this particular model is. If you want to test here external input, you can just ask here that allow user input as well. Allow user input as well. All right, so it is going to just modify this particular code and then it is going to allow the user input as well. So overall I wanted to tell you here that this particular model is super fast and super good model. You can clearly see here how fast this model. It is just taking almost no time in writing a code and also in modifying the code. And this is how you can do a free Claude Code setup locally. Although in this case you need to have a GPU, otherwise it is going to be perfectly free of cost. Let's go ahead and run this once again and then see here. So all these are tested. Let's go ahead and check some of the input which I'm gonna give here. So maybe this one, it says that no, this one is not the palindrome. Maybe this could be the palindrome. Yes, that is the palindrome. And if I check this one, no, this is not the palindrome. If I check this one, no, this is not the palindrome. And if I check this one, this should be the palindrome. All right, excellent. Now I hope it was helpful to you. Now you understand how you can do the Claude Code setup locally on your computer with the Nemotron lightning model and also with the Ollama. If you have any doubt, any question, you can ask that in the Q&A section. I would be more than happy to help you. All right guys, bye bye, take care.